Welcome to the episode 2 of Mathematics. Today we deal with Vedic maths, a very simple methods of simplifications. The first method most of you know, I will explain once again. That is, for example, if you want to find the square of 15, 25, square of 35, square of 45, like that, square of 75, the numbers which are ending with 5 only. This rule is applicable only to the numbers applicable which are applicable to the only to the numbers which are ending with 5. 15 square is 225, that is 5 square is 25. This is units digit, this is tens digit. Tens digit is 1, 1 after 2, 1 2 is 2. 5 square is 25, tens digit is 2, 2 after 3, 2 3 is 6. And 5 square is 25, tens digit is 3, 3 after 4, 3 4 is 12. 5 square is 25, tens digit is 4, 4 after 5, 4 5 is 20. Like that, 5 square is 25, tens digit is 7, 7 after 8, 7 8 is 56. That's all. We are able to solve just without using paper and pen such type of techniques very easily. Similarly, if you want to find the product of any number with 11, multiplication with 11, for example 63 into 11, we are able to solve the same very easily. Just simply use 63, 6 plus 3 is 9, right? 9, that's all the answer. For example 52 into 11, write 52, 5 plus 2 is 7, that's all the answer. Like that, 1 2 3 4 5 into 11, write 5, 5 plus 4 9, you can use 0 here. And 4 plus 3 7, 2 plus 3 5, 2 plus 1 3, 0 plus 1 1. That's all the answer. Like that, we are able to solve any type of these type of products. For example 2 5 7 8 1 6 something into 11, use 0 here. 6 plus 1 7, 1 plus 8 9, 7 plus 8 15, so use 1 here. And now 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 1 3, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 0 plus 2 is 2. That's all the answer. Like that, now we use some other techniques like base method. For example, if you want to find 105 into 105 into 115, if you want to find the product of these two numbers, see, its base is 100. It is more than 100 by 5. If it is more than 100, use plus symbol. 5, it is plus 15. It is more than 100, its base is 100. It has two zeros, remember. 15 5 is 75, plus into plus 75. Use oblique here. 75 has two digits, no problem here because there are two zeros. And now add cross addition. That means 115 plus 15 or 105 plus 15. Sorry, 115 plus 5 or 105 minus 15. Anyone you can do. 115 plus 15 is 120. Similarly, 105 plus 15 is 120 only. So that is why we can use any cross addition. 120, the answer is 12075. Like that, if you want to find the product of 985 into 996 something, if you want to find the product of these two, its base is as usual, that is 1000. So 985 in the sense 15 minus 15, you should write here minus 4. 15 4 the 60, minus into minus plus 60, but so we can write plus 60. But here is 3-digit number, that is 3-0 number. It's round figure, its base is 3-0 number. That is why we should use one more 0 here. We have to get 3-digit satisfaction. Use oblique 996 minus 15 or 985 minus 4. 985 minus 4 is 981. 996 minus 15 is also 981, but this one is easier to solve. So that is why whichever is easy, you can follow the same. 981. So the answer is 981060. 981060. Similarly, for example, If you want to find the product of 115 into 107, if you want to find the product of its base is 100, obviously here we have to write plus 15, here we have to write plus 7, 15 7 is 105, plus into plus plus, 107 plus 15 or 115 plus 7 is 122 oblique. We can write this answer by removing just simply oblique. But here we have 3 digits, but its base is 2 zeroed number. So that is why we should have only here 2 digits only. So that is why sum this one this side, sum this one this side. It becomes 12305. 12305. This is the answer. Like that, in this base method, we are able to solve different types of problems with this. For example, here we did both the numbers are more than base and both the numbers are less than base. Here we will take one number is more than base and the other one is less than base. For example, 988 into 1 is more than less than base, 1015 for example, 1015. If you want to solve these two, here plus 12, we should write here, sorry, minus 12, because it is less than base. Its base is 1000, 30 number. It is plus 15. It is 15 12 ja 180. 180, but minus into plus minus 180. Its base is 30 number. We got here 3 digits, so we need not to go for any zeros extra. Now oblique 1015 minus 12 or 988 plus 15. We can solve any one. So 1015 minus 12 is easy. It becomes 1003. So, but here bar, whenever there is no bar, this is the answer itself. This is the answer itself. But here is a bar, so that is why we have to send one number here. One number in the sense that is base value only. One number in the sense base value. So 1003 minus 1 is 1002. One base value is 1000. 1000 minus 980. Sorry, 180 is 820. That's all. This is the answer. Like that, we are able to solve such type of problems. Very huge also, very easy. For example, 99999 something into 99,985. If you want to solve, here value is minus 2, here value is minus 15, 15 2s are 30, minus into minus plus 30, but here is how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 3 more zeros in front of 30, and now 85. 99985 minus 2 is 9998283. So that's all the answer. So 99983 00030 is its product. Like that, we are able to solve such type of problems very easily in this base method. Even we are able to solve not only 2 digits, we are also able to solve 3 digits also. In next episode, we will deal the same. For example, the first method, according to the first method, we will do some more problems. That is, for example, 27 into 23. If you want to multiply these two, here first two tens digit must be same. Sum of units digit must be 10. In such case, we can use that 15 square 25 square method. That is 7 3 the 21. Base is 2. 2 after 3, 2 3 the 6. Like that, 32 into 38. See, both the tens digits are same. Sum of units digits are 10. That is why we can solve 8 to the 16. Tens digit is 3. 3 after 4, 3 4 the 12. Like that, 49 into 41. Both tens digits are same. 9 plus 1 is 10. That is why 9 1s are 9. We should write 09. 4 after 5, 4 5s are 20. Like that, we are able to solve such types of problems very easily at faster rate. But for example, if it is 52 into 57, it is not. We should not use this principle here, because of course tens digits are same, but sum of two digits is not equal to 10. So it is not equal to 7 2 the 14, 5 after 6, 5 6 the 30. This is wrong answer. This is wrong answer. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our Winner's Weapon. This is Lammata Srinivasa Rao. My books are available on Amazon by search Lammata Srinivasa Rao. Find my books, try to own them at very cheaper rate. Thank you so much. Please subscribe.